Welcome back again, guys, to my channel. So on this particular video I will be sharing with you how to upload a video on YouTube. So let's dive in. So this is how it looks like on YouTube Studio, right? This is a particular channel. So then we move to clicking on that plus button. Look at the list of videos in this phone. So we click on the particular video we want to post. Then you see that little icon that is like a pen. You click on it so as to apply, so as to set in your picture, right? The thumbnail. So you pick the particular thumbnail you want to use, which is this one. This particular channel need. Then you go ahead to put in the title of your video, right? Make sure the title is a catchy one because you really want your video to be seen and not just to be uploaded, right? So you go ahead with the title, and once you're done with the title, you go ahead to add description. As we can see, guys, we can see visibility, we can see playlist, we can see short remixing, comments. All these are things you have to set in right so that your video will be properly recommended as well as properly uploaded. We wouldn't want mistakes, guys. So this is the screen showing you currently how the title is being typed in. So once you're done with the title, we move down to add description, guys. So let's move ahead to the next one, guys, which is add description. So you click on that add description, you put in your hashtags or you put in whatever remark you want to put in there, your playlist link, anything at all. But since we're working on this channel, so we can see what this channel is being the hashtags this channel needs, right? So after you're done with that, you leave this particular phase, which is using the back icon, the back arrow icon that takes you back to the home page where you get to upload the movie proper, right? So now, guys, you get to click on visibility, which is set as public because we want everybody to see the movie, the video, right? Then you click on playlist if you want to add it to a playlist. You click on short remixing, allow video and audio remixing, but no, we're going to click on don't allow at all, so no one will be able to use your video. Comment, you make sure you turn it on, then you go ahead to save. When you're about saving, you have to select your audience, which is no, it's not made for kids, depends on your content. So that's it uploading right now. So guys, you get to wait for about few minutes depending on your network. If your network is very fast, then it gets to upload quickly. So this is it uploading. Then looking at the interface, guys, you can see the videos that has been uploaded previously by this particular channel. This is how it shows. It gets to show you your views and the timing you uploaded the last video, right? So as we you can still see that the video is still uploading. So guys, this is me scrolling through the previous videos that this particular channel has uploaded before now, right? So bear in mind that this is how it looks like on YouTube Studio with your phone, right? Not the web. This is the app itself, okay? So because it's different on the normal YouTube on phone, right? This is the studio, but the YouTube homepage itself that everybody usually goes to, because you can actually play directly from the YouTube studio. You can't play a video directly from a YouTube studio. You have to go to the YouTube app itself, right? So this is how it appears on YouTube studio. The interface, this is how it looks like. So guys, this is now the video trying to be checked. If there is anything wrong in it, YouTube will get to tell you if it's restricted to some places or it's not. So you get to refresh, right? So you'd see if it has been uploaded already. So yeah, here we have it, guys. It has been uploaded already. So we click the three dots by the right side, so you get to add your tags and the likes, right? So we move ahead to add our tags. Now tags are like the keywords that you possibly think these are what viewers will be searching for. As you can see, this particular video is in line with the entertainment industry, right? So this channel is trying to impute the names that are familiar with the particular video that has been uploaded. So it depends on what you're going to upload on YouTube, so you work with that. So these are the tags. You can add as many as you want, right? And duplicate is not allowed. Take note, guys. So we can see short remixing, don't allow remixing. That's what we set before before now, right? So that's it. After you're done with that, you go click the back button, the back arrow, right? Then you click on save video. As we can see, the edit has been saved. There you have it, guys. Your video has been uploaded.